Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by generating the certificate signing request, CSR, and private key. This is the single most important step because the key stays secret on your server. Use OpenSol or your control panel to create a 2048 or 4090 6-bit RSA key and CSR with correct CN and SAN. Once done, save the private key securely and copy the CSR text to your clipboard. Make sure to note the file locations and admin email so validation can proceed without delay. Next, you submit the CSR to the certificate authority and choose how to prove domain control. If you pick DNS validation, add the exact TXT record they give you to the zone and wait for propagation. If you pick HTTP, upload the token file to the specified path on your web route. Once the CA detects the proof, they issue the certificate. Make sure to monitor validation emails and follow CA instructions promptly to avoid expiration of the validation token. Finally, you install the certificate chain and private key into your web server, reverse proxy, or load balancer and restart the service so TLS picks up the new files. After restart, verify using an SSL checker and by visiting your site in a browser to confirm the chain and hostname match. If anything fails, check file permissions and that the full chain intermediates is installed. Troubleshooting tip: if browsers report chain errors, re-upload the CA bundle in the correct order. Server cert first, then intermediates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.